Hi friends, this is a fun hunt to do in a grocery store, but things are kind of strange right now and different. So this is something you can do at home. You don't have to go to the store. It's a search for different fruits and vegetables that you have at home. So look in your refrigerator or wherever you keep your fruits and vegetables and go through the list and see what you can find. There's apples, orange, peach, grapes, blueberries, blackberries, banana, tomato, kiwi. On the vegetable side, there's celery, potato, lettuce, cabbage, onion, parsley, kale, radish, carrots, turnips. This is a fun game to play. You can play it over and over and just look to see what you have. It could be when you come in from the grocery store. It could be when you're ready to look. This is another one that is also fun. It's called a grocery store game, but this is something you can play at home. It has all the letters of the alphabet, and you can look through and see what food items you have that start with that letter. Like A, you can look for apples or an alligator. But can you eat an alligator? That would be really silly. So you just look for something that starts with an A. A B can be anything that starts with a B, B sound. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And again, this does not have to be done at a grocery store. Just look at home wherever you keep your food and find those letters. These are both fun games to do at home. Have fun. Bye, friends.